This was a Cook Good and Look Good Chronicle. Cook good and look good.
This content is not made for ages under 18. Thank you.
Bye. What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, back live in the flesh, and yes, this is a Cook Good and Look Good Chronicle. I have my cup of double peppermint, one bag of rose-hip tea, and I am burping because for whatever reason peppermint tea helps with digestion, and I have a headache, so peppermint tea is gonna help with my headache. It's almost like having aspirin and like a light laxative or a digestive, I don't know, and it helps with like my urinary tract as well. I don't know, my personal experience with peppermint tea has just been well, and it's raining right now, so the rose hip is going to help with my joint inflammation. I'm always fighting some type of, how am I going to heal myself battle, you know what I'm saying? And those things be pretty good, but if you ask me, peppermint works way better than any type of pill I've taken for pain. And I put that on some books. I got the oil somewhere. Boom. Peppermint oil. Ain't got no label in it no more because I've been taking it everywhere, anywhere, in all places. But I'm candidly speaking to you guys in cinematic mode, a mode I've never done before. But I thought to myself, if I'm gonna come back with a Cook Good and Look Good Chronicles, let's do something for the people, for the entertainment. So tell me how you like this film. Here's the tea. Even though I just drank my tea, I have been having mad seizures. Once again, it's because I'm trying to hone in my greatness. It requires a lot of concentration, and what that does to my brain, it be like, hey, yo, we gonna fry it like a skillet. The thing is, I believe in overriding the negative, even though I'm like also on this horrible negative bias due to things out of my control. Honestly, I'm not one for the change. Y'all, my negative bias has been just because I know that I'm going to have to work hard and through, and that gives me like, oh shit, okay, well, what you gonna do when A, B, and C happens? Well, if I have a seizure, I'm going to do my best to revive myself, stay there for anywhere from 10 to 15, 20 minutes until I can start feeling my limbs again. And then I'm just going to walk back to society and get electrolytes, eat some potato chips, and go to sleep. You know what I'm saying? It don't have to be potato chips, but it tastes the best for potato chips, that little carb intake after a seizure. And some coconut water. Muy delicioso. Y'all. And I'm just going to take my happy ass to sleep. You know what I'm saying? That's all I can do. And for the same thing for just passing out, you know what I'm saying? Like, what else am I gonna do, honey? Like, and the same thing with my neurodivergent. Like, I'm just gonna take a nap when necessary and consume the herbs that are required, if you know what I'm putting down, baby. Like, duh. But in the meantime, with my negative bias, I just been keeping it a buck and real honest, a little crude and rude. I'm not saying that's right, but I just can't. I've been crazy twice. 2 different stories for later. But I don't want to ever go crazy again, so I'm going to get a little buck wild when it comes to stuff. Because, I'm already crazy, but I don't want to go insane. Insane in the membrane. And I'll just do stuff that requires me to be focused and aligned with my passion, so that way I can get through with life. And being rude might get me in situations, but I'm going to say it like this. It is not a reason to be rude other than you trying to get through your own anger problems. So I'm about to help myself heal, aka drum roll please, apartment. I have to say 5K because I need to go to this apartment and create an oasis for myself for ultimate mega content. Like, I'm talking about, like, if I feel like doing content at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I will do that anytime soon. I really think it's dope that, you know, as an entrepreneur, there's so many options for me, and I've gotten into the seriousness of promoting myself. So if you are in the Boston area and need a personal chef, email me at queemiejones@gmail.com, or go ahead and directly DM me. I'm not one of them. I'm just trying to go ahead and just get into the prosperity of the cook good and look good culture. And a lot of people have been asking me simple and subtle questions about how food could be made, about if I'm catering. Yes, I'm doing it all. I'm teaching you how to cook good and look good and feeding you so you can always cook good and look good. You feel me? Period. I feel like that's been helping me realizing my confidence and things like that. Like, that's made me like realize, like, baby girl, you're a lady and you're a shiggity chef, and you do your biggity best. And I am not strictly stressed about no food ever. I am serve safe certified, and that is manager certified, okay? And I am allergen certified, so that allows me to be give you a little razzle dazzle if you got a dietary restriction or two. You know what I'm saying? I got you, boo. Like, I want to make sure people feel safe when they eat my food. So I'm like, I did that like 4 years ago, and I'm just now finding the confidence to speak up and promote my culinary experiences. Like, and that's okay. I've been a chef for 5 years, right? Because I had my own business when I was a teenager, cooking for somebody who had specific dietary restriction. Shout out to my old art teacher. But, you know, it was great as heck taking my love for food and being able to help her have food that she wouldn't normally be able to have because of what, you know, she can't have. You know what I'm saying? So then we go into coming into Boston. I was sick or whatever, but then I found out about community servants and teaching kitchen, and that within itself was a blessing because I was able to take a program to get me my serve safe and get me experience and get a little shum on my resume. Shout out to them. More content with them coming soon. I put that on my mom and them. But for real, it just got me to a different level of experience to have, you know, high production skills, you know what I'm saying? And helping, you know, a severely ill and dietary restrictions while facing severely ill population within the, I know it's Massachusetts and Rhode Island. They might be somewhere else that they're taking over too. But anyway, whole point being is, baby girl, why would I not be confident? Like, before that, I already cooked good and look good. Like, and I can say that I'm proud of where I'm at right now. Like, it's gonna hurt to make it work, but I'm going places, and I'm gonna be retired by 35. I'm just one of them. So, you know, I've had a negative bias, but I'm gonna get through it. The apartment's gonna help me be like, namaste, assalamu alaikum, peace be unto you. I'm gonna be on some like real cultivative, hola casa amiga. You know what I'm saying? Like I don't know if that's even the right type of Spanish, but it's not gonna have not Casamigos because I'm not drinking it. But I'm just saying, like, hopefully you know what I'm trying to put down. But personally, it's gonna be one of them shindigs that, you know, is gonna help me, my family, my relationship. Like, I'm crazy, and I want to make sure that, you know, I'm producing content that's gonna teach people how to cook and look good and hone in my crazy. I made the shirt. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I upcycled it and put the holes up in there, and it's strategic fashion. So I cook good and look good, y'all. So stay tuned for that content. And how y'all liking the how-to series this far? I like it. A lot. And that's all I got. It's your girl Queemie Jones. Go ahead and follow me at QUEEMIEJONES. And if you're into those specific herbs, follow my lovely Mary Jane and Munchies on all platforms as well. Okay? Bye!